Hey, what's up? Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this local drip coffee from Kape Hub PH. So before I tell more about this product, let's hop on the next clip because I'm gonna show you how to brew it. Let's go! From the previous clip, it's so easy to brew this coffee. You can do it anytime, anywhere without coffee maker. It's so amazing. Let's proceed to their products. They've sent me this package with 3 flavors. This new normal brought us to appreciate quality time and convenience of working from home. Because almost everyone is working from home because of this pandemic. Here's our take to the new norm. Brew like a breeze at home with our local coffee drips. May your coffee boost becomes a memorable experience every single time. More power to your endeavors. Coffee cheers, stay safe, and God bless. Thank you so much, Kape Hub PH, for sending me this package. Okay guys, so let's review their packaging muna. Yeah, as you can see, ang classy tignan ng packaging nila. Also, mayroong valve. Amoy mo agad yung coffee. Meron pa siyang isang purpose. Yung valve na to, it helps to preserve the coffee. Meron din instructions sa likod. They sent me 3 flavors. The first one that I'm gonna show you is itong Excelsa. This is the strongest flavor among the 3. The second one is itong hazelnut. The one that I am drinking sa first part ng video. The last one is this pure barako. I've tried this coffee kanina umaga and I can really say that this deserves the title as their best-selling flavor. Unang sip pa lang, I was like that because I was so speechless because it tastes so good na talagang napapasabi ko ng good morning. I highly recommend this product na i-try nyo. Because first, it's a local product, so hashtag support local business. Second, you don't need coffee maker anymore just to experience brewed coffee. Third is you can do this anytime, anywhere. Fourth is yung taste niya. So guys, if you're interested to try their product, I'm gonna put the link of their Facebook page and the link of their Instagram account in the description box. The next local product that I'm gonna show you guys is this brownies from Baking Tex. Ito yun daw yung best seller nila, yung may almond nuts. Ang cute ng packaging nila kasi pastel. Also, ang fudgy and thick ng kanilang brownies. 2 slices pa lang, mabubusog ka na. So it's really worth the buy. If you're interested to try this as well, I'm gonna put their Facebook and Instagram on the description box. Perfecto! While drinking the coffee na pinakita ko sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button beside it so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next vlog. May you have a fabulous day. Bye!